Um, so, as I said in my, I have no idea if this is, nope. Okay, so I guess I have to record like this. Um, unless that did work. So as everyone knows, I got a floppy disk drive and I have a Windows XP and I've got a few floppy disks. Well, I've got two blank floppy disks, two dedicated blank floppy disks. And so on one of them, I decided to put a video file. It has to be MPEG-1, and of course I had to compress it massively to fit on this thing, so it's in basically the worst quality it can be. So yeah, there's nothing in the drive yet. That's just the drive itself. Of course, it'll say insert a disk, and I can't do that. Well, I can. Sorry. And it's loading. It's just my SimCity demo. Well, at least part of it. I'm not sure what's going on there. Oh, there we go. Of course, that's a lot worse quality than my actual video that I uploaded to YouTube, but it is running off of a floppy disk, so that's just great. And that's it. And now it's gonna loop because I have it set on loop. Yep. Yeah, it does that every time. I guess I'll let it cycle through one more time. This is literally the lowest quality I could make it, which was 240p. So on the camera that I'm filming it through, it actually looks rather good for some reason, but through my eyes, it looks absolutely terrible. Yeah, okay, I think that's enough. Well, I hope you enjoyed that thing. Yeah. I really hope you enjoyed that, whatever that spectacle was. My phone's gonna die. So, bye for now.